Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to accept payments on Podia. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in podia.com. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Podia if you haven't already done that, of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So in the top side of the screen, we have, as you can see, the site, blog, we have the products, community, email, audience, and sales. And in the top right corner, we have your profile and all about that, and the messages. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and accept payments on Podia. So first of all, go to your website and click on products in the top side of the screen. So we have products here. Then when you click on products, click on a new product and select the type of product you want to create. For example, online course, digital download, or membership. Then in the product settings, you can set up payment options. Podia supports various payment methods, including Stripe, PayPal, Apple Pay, and Google Pay. Set the price for your products and configure any payment plans or recurring billing options if needed. Once everything is set up, click Publish to make your product live and start accepting payments. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, as always, bye guys.